What is a counteroffer in personal injury settlement agreements? Have you ever wondered what happens when a personal injury claim is on the table? One key element in this process is the counteroffer. So, what exactly is a counteroffer in personal injury settlement agreements? Let's break it down. A counteroffer is a response made by the injured party, also known as the plaintiff, to the initial settlement offer from the defendant or their insurance company. When the plaintiff feels that the original offer does not adequately cover their damages, they can reject it and propose a new settlement amount or terms. This new proposal usually seeks higher compensation to better reflect the medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other related losses they have experienced. The settlement process typically starts when the defendant or their insurer presents an initial offer to resolve the claim without going to trial. If the plaintiff believes this offer is too low or does not accurately representing their situation, they can submit a counteroffer. This counteroffer serves as a negotiation tool aimed at reaching a more equitable agreement. Key aspects of a counteroffer include that it explicitly rejects the original offer while proposing different terms, often with a higher compensation amount. It is usually presented in writing, often through the plaintiff's attorney, to clearly communicate the rejection and the reasons for the new offer. To support the counteroffer, the plaintiff should gather evidence such as medical bills, accident reports, witness statements, and documentation of lost income. This evidence helps justify the request for increased compensation. Settlement negotiations can involve multiple rounds of offers and counteroffers before both parties reach an agreement or decide to proceed to court. It is also important to know that there is a limited time frame to make a counteroffer, which is governed by the statute of limitations for filing a personal injury lawsuit. This time frame varies by jurisdiction, but often spans a few years from the date of the injury. Involving a personal injury lawyer can be very helpful during this process. They can evaluate the true value of the claim, draft the counteroffer correctly, and negotiate with the insurance company to maximize compensation. A lawyer also ensures that the counteroffer is reasonable, which helps prevent stalling negotiations or leaving money unclaimed. In essence, a counteroffer in personal injury settlement agreements is a formal step in negotiations where the injured party proposes revised terms to achieve fair compensation that reflects the actual damages incurred. It plays a vital role in the settlement process, aiming to resolve claims without needing to go to court.